It was a dark and stormy night when the mysterious package showed up on the doorstep.
Hey everybody, it's Ian the Off Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. Well, as you can see, I got a mysterious delivery at my doorstep, and I could not be more excited to open up this Halloween Boo box from Open Gate Quilts. Monique curates these boxes herself, and I'm so excited to see what's inside of it. I've never received one of her boxes before, and she reached out to me and asked if I would like to receive the Halloween Boo box, and how could I say no when Halloween is my absolute favorite holiday of all time. Now, unfortunately, this Halloween Boo box, it was a special box, not a part of her monthly subscription box, and they are all sold out. However, if you would like to sign up for her monthly subscription box, you can check out the link down in the description below to head over to her website and check it out. All right, let's take the mystery out of this mystery box and open it up and see what's inside. All right, I have my box that I received from Open Gate Quilts. Let's take a look and see what's inside. First of all, we got this awesome sticker on the outside, Stitches Beware. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what all is included inside. Oh, we got some, of course, some coordinated tissue paper to go along with the Halloween theme. All right, Halloween Boo box from Open Gate Quilts. Thank you for ordering the Halloween Boo box. I have curated some spooky items just for you. The large project is called My Queen and measures 54 by 78. Let's see. All right, here it is. I found it in the box, and it says, "These queens are whimsical and frightfully charming. The quilt is made out of Queens of Ween by J. Weir Frisch for Riley Blake Fabrics." I probably pronounced all of that wrong. Everything is included except the backing, unless you ordered that separately. So I have a whole quilt here that's 54 by 78. Let's take a look at this fabrics. We'll look at the fabrics here in a minute. I don't want to get too excited, but we'll check that out here in just a minute. The smaller project, which is this one, it looks like we got some more goodies in there too. The smaller project is called Halloween Bat and Boo. I fell in love with this wall hanging and wanted to make one for myself, so I thought you would want one too. Everything is in your kit, including the hanger, which makes the wall hanging just howl. Oh, look at that. It came with the hanger as well. Oh, that's so cool. Wall hanging is a metal trick-or-treat sign. I found a magical trick-or-treat pin that you can either add to your wall hanging, wear, or put on your candy tote. How exciting. I'm going to check that out. I think that's that right there. I'll be checking that out here in just a second. Oh, look how cool this is. It says, because it's Halloween, I added 2 candies out of Halloween and Spellbound. Candies are 2.5-inch square mini charm packs, and both collections are from Moda Fabrics. I also included 2 bonus project patterns. I am doing so great at reading today. All you need is some black fabric and some batting to make these sweet treats. You also received Orifil thread in black, which is very fitting because it's perfect for piecing your projects. How true is that? And look how she wrapped it up like candy. I freaking love that. And lastly, what is Halloween without real candy? There's some real candy in here. So you are tempted with some scary ghost candy. There's also a pin in here. It looks like the trick-or-treat pin is included in here as well. More details, instructions, and bonus projects are in the Halloween Boo Box booklet, which looks to be this right here. So this looks like we have our Halloween Bat and Boo project, so we can make this wall hanging. Then we also have our My Queen. Oh, look at that. Look at those awesome queen pieces that are going to go into it. And just so you know, on the back here, I don't want to show it because it does have measurements and stuff like that, so I don't want to just give the pattern away. But there is a pattern for a candy tote or a spooky table runner that you can use those mini charm packs for, so how freaking cool. And then also inside this booklet is the instructions for how to put together the My Queen quilt in here. So that is all of your instructions. Make sure to hold on to that. Don't get rid of that. All right, I've cleared off my tabletop because I do want to open and take a look, just a little sneaky peeky. I'm not going to take everything apart, but I just want to do a little sneaky peeky here. Oh, that's actually thread. Okay, so the trick or treat pin is actually in with my candy, and they're little ghosties. How freaking cute. Love it. All right, so we have some thread and a needle and stuff like that. And then here is our metal. This is a metal hanger for hanging up our wall hanging with. That's nice. That's really, really nice. I'm excited for that. And then we have all of our materials for this. And here is our instructions for the bat and booze. How awesome. And it looks like you can do some applique with the thread. So you'll do applique to put on your ghost and the bat and the other ghost. So very fun. We got our panels that are going to be for the queens. Oh, look at this artwork. This is very fun. I usually don't like panels all that much, but look at this panel and the artwork on it. I think it's going to be just a fun little, and we got a, look, she's got a pin cushion on her head. How cute is that? All right. I don't want to open it all the way because that means it's even harder to put back. But I am definitely going to love putting this together when I start working on it. We, of course, have our crowns. So we're going to be doing a little bit of fussy cutting out the crowns for this. We got some more fabric. She packs these really well. I've never gotten an Open Gate quilt box before, but this is really well put together and a lot of fun fabrics to use. So can't wait to work on this. I was looking here, I just noticed that she's got the staged photo with the skeleton in the bed on top of the quilt. I think that's so freaking cute. All right, so that's it. This is the Halloween Boo Box from Open Gate Quilts. Monique did a great job curating all this. I love all of this, and I can't wait to dive in and start working on these projects and getting them ready for display during the month of October and beyond, because let's face it, I love to have these up, Halloween things up all year round. So this is a pretty fun box from Open Gate Quilts. So there you go, that's what's inside the Halloween Boo Box from Open Gate Quilts. I am so excited to start working on the projects, and I have to say I loved the theming of it all. It was carried through wonderfully, executed perfectly in my opinion. Love it. Can't wait to get started on those projects. Like I said, if you are interested in checking out her monthly subscription boxes from Open Gate Quilts, make sure to go over to her website. Put a link to that down in the description below. And again, thank you, Monique, for sending me my box. Absolutely love it and can't wait to get started on those projects. I hope everybody has a great day. And remember, guys, normal's just a setting on the dryer. Bye.